Hi guys, TinaGale here, and I just got home from work and I have my Echo Park. It's their warehouse box sale that I ordered during a week moment. Don't ask me why I ordered other than I love Echo Park. I don't need one single stitch of scrapbooking supplies at all, and I normally pass these up because I'd rather just go spend my 50 bucks on stuff that I really want, but for whatever reason I did it. I've cut it open, I've pulled the paper out, but I thought we'd unbox it together and I would share with you what all came in it. So this was the warehouse box. It was $50 and then shipping. I love Echo Park. I would recommend that you don't do warehouse boxes unless you really love the company, because then you know that more than likely you're going to love everything that you get, even if it's older product. The other thing is, even though I have a lot of new products, I felt like I probably would get some stuff that I didn't have. So let's go through. So far, I am impressed. It looks like a ton of stuff. There's lots of paper collections down here. Lots of embellishments. Okay, so I'm going to pull this off to the side and we're going to start unboxing. So first off, I saw a lot of the paper fans, which I know I don't have any of these. Rockabye Baby, so these are in blue, so I'm assuming that's the boy package. And even though these are kind of bulkier, I don't use stuff like that on my pages too often, those are really cute. And even though I've already done my baby albums, so I probably wouldn't use those. It'd be cute on a card if you were going to hand give it to somebody or a gift, but I can put something over the top of those. That one's generic. And then I also got the pink ones, so the girl collection. It's a beautiful flower. So again, that one could be for anything, and these I could just put some little sticker on the top. So those are cute. I think I'll use those for sure. Then I see bows. Bows, and bows. So this is the Rockabye Baby collection, so it's going to go with this one. So that's cute. So whatever I use that on the page, I could combine these. And I love using these in my planner. Then this is Once Upon a Time. Can definitely use those. And then, oh, these aren't paper clips, but they're the bows on foam dots. Looks like a couple's moved. Hello Fall. Love fall. So yeah, okay, so far we're doing good. I love all of that. Ooh, stamp sets. Okay, so I'm not a stamper, but I do love stamp sets. A Perfect Winter coordinates with the Bundle Up die set, so that's cute. So I could use those on cards. And then a Christmas one. Those are really cute. If I don't use them, I know some people that would love to have them. But yeah, I could see using those on layouts for sure. So that's nice. I wasn't expecting stamp sets. Brads. Love me Brad. So A Perfect Winter again. So it's kind of nice that you got things from the same collection, so that matches that collection. And there's also rub-ons from that collection. I'll definitely use those. So yeah, I would definitely use that on cards, since I got embellishments and stuff with it too. And then there's another winter one. This one is Cabin Fever, but I think the colors would match. You could mix those for sure. Enamel Shape, so Once Upon a Time. So the bows, and this one goes with that. We'll definitely use it. Stencils. Was not expecting stencils either. So those are cute. I played a little bit when I went to Scrapbook Generation to the crop with some stencils and some products, and so I don't know, I might hang on to those and give that a whirl, but that's definitely cute. Washi tape. We got two different rolls. So this one is I Love Family. It's a gorgeous stripe and kind of fall colors. So that would definitely match with the bows here. And then Deck the Halls, which is a snowflake in the different colors. So that definitely would match with that the winter stuff that I got. Then I got some chipboard accents. Welcome Home. These are gorgeous. I love these, and I actually think I have paper from this collection, maybe. But again, all of this would match in with that. Alright, now I see paper pads. So there's a 6x6 and an 8x8 dots and stripes. So this is the only thing so far. Probably will not use these. I don't do a whole lot of bright colors. The small polka dot's cute. Small stripe. I don't know. I probably will pass these on to somebody. Or put them in a giveaway or something. I mean, I could, but I have so much stuff I don't need them. So I'll probably pass those on. Alright, now paper collections. Okay, first off are a couple of punch-out sheets. I guess that's upside down. So this is summer. I don't know what collection that belongs to. But it's a summer punch-out, so that's cute. It's already fallen apart. I'll punch all those out and put in my other stuff. Oh, Disney. So another punch-out. We'll definitely be using that one. So that's nice. Okay, I gotta find a place. Let me put these out of the way. I don't want to lose them all. Okay, now all of the collections. So this is Little Boy Collection, Dots and Stripes. So again, I would be closer to using some of these, the grays, the blues, greens. So I might hang on to that, or I might just pull out the few colors that I like and pass the rest on. Cartabella Love Story Gold Foil Collection. So this is a wedding collection, which is gorgeous, and I have not done my wedding photos. So yeah, I'll definitely use that. Okay, one more Dots and Stripes. And even with this being in here that I probably won't use, like this one I will definitely pass on or put in a giveaway because that's just not my colors. I still feel like I have already gotten my money's worth. And seeing the collections down here, I know I do. Alright, so this collection is Space Academy by Stephen Duncan. Okay, I'm trying to, I ended up blocking my light. And this will be great for Disney photos. My daughter working in Tomorrowland, my son worked in Tomorrowland for a while too, so I definitely can scrap some of their photos plus our mini trips. So it contains 12 textured paper, double-sided, an element sticker sheet. That's a sticker sheet. Looks like it has cut aparts. Yeah. Love that. It feels so thick. It feels like more than 12 pages, but it's because it's Cartabella and it's textured. Gorgeous. Alright. And a Christmas collection. I love Christmas. So a cute kind of whimsical Christmas, and even though I don't need another stitch of Christmas paper for a decade, this is really, really cute. And I have intentions of making Christmas cards this year, so those icons will be definitely cute. All of these would be really cute on the front of cards. Make really fast, quick cards. Okay, so right there's two really, really good collections. And more Disney, Magical Adventure, so it goes with the punch out here. This is another one that's got 12 double-sided papers and the sticker sheet. And I don't think I have this one. I have so many Disney collections. But, oh, love that film strip. And the little shapes inside punch out. Oh, that's cute. So yeah, right there. Woo. And then the last one is Our Family, which this is gorgeous. This looks a lot like the one that I just did, the Magnolia Good Times that I used. And I loved that color scheme. So this is a lot like it. So I can use what I have left of it along with this and make it go even further. So this one again has 12 double-sided papers and the element sticker sheet. And it's Cartabella, so it's super heavy. And that's the sticker sheet. Gorgeous. So yeah, definitely $50 worth of happy in that box. So because those four collections definitely love and will use Those two, not so much. We'll definitely use that in my wedding album if I ever get to it. And then all of this. Yeah, so really the 4 pads of paper that was this, that's the only thing I don't see myself using. Everything else I love. So that's a look at the Echo Park warehouse box. If you've ever wondered about ordering one or what would be in it, I would say this one is an exceptional. I've had some that's kind of a little scant on the contents, but this one definitely over the top, definitely worth $50. But again, my tips would be, if you're looking at a warehouse box, number one, make sure that it's a company that you love. There are only a couple that I could say that about. Echo Park is one, Cartabella, and with that, and Simple Stories. I don't care what they make, I pretty much always love it. Simple Stories has not created anything I don't like, period. They're the only company I can say that for. Echo Park's pretty close. So choose companies that you love. And then also, if you're at a point where you're trying to build your inventory, this is a great way to kind of build it up. If you'll pick a company that you really like, their style and designs, and then you can really rack up some inventory here to start scrapbooking with. But if you're someone that does not need anything, then save your 50 bucks and go buy exactly what you want, and you won't have to worry about being disappointed. That's my 2 cents. I hope you have a great day. I will get this loaded up just as quick as possible. And I have another layout that I need to edit the video, and then it will be up. So I hope you enjoyed a look at the Echo Park warehouse box sale, and have a great day. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.